good that looks.
It's really good. That works. That's crazy.
I'm shook. Oh my god.
Disgusting.
Look at that. It looks like dirty water. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So for today's video, we're gonna be testing out TikTok life hacks. We're gonna do a little bit of everything. We're gonna do like food related, fashion related, things that you can use every day, you know, a little bit of everything. So make sure you go ahead and give this video a huge thumbs up if you enjoyed it at the end. Don't forget to subscribe with your post notifications on. And without further ado, let's go ahead and get this video started. The first one we're gonna try out is the Bleach Jeans. I've seen this all over TikTok, and you know, I was like, let me search up how much jeans cost that are bleached, because everybody's doing this and they were pretty expensive. So I think that's why people are doing it. So if you're on a budget and you want bleached jeans, here's the trick. Is bleach, tape, and your jeans. Pretty simple. So let's go ahead and try this out. First thing you're gonna do is tape right here in the front, so you don't like bleach the part that you're not supposed to. I don't even know like what to do with the zipper. I'm just gonna leave it like that, and we're gonna do the same thing with the back. Okay, so I couldn't find the same bleach, so we're just gonna use this one. There it go. Okay, so now we have to air dry this. Didn't say for how long, so we're just gonna wing it. And I'll keep you guys updated outside. So I don't know, I think in like 20 minutes.
Yeah.
Okay guys, so this is the update, and oh my god, look at this. I hope that this evens out. If not, I'm gonna have to add more, but this is like 5 minutes in and it's just like a little lighter, but you know, we're still getting there. All right guys, so I moved it to the sun since the last update, and you could clearly see it's lighting up. You can still see the first time I dropped the Clorox. So let's see if when it goes fully bleached, if it like, you know, fades in. So we will find out. You can see it working. They literally bleached, but this took longer than I thought, like way longer. Like to bleach them to go to this color, it took like 4 hours, right?
A little bit more,
like 4 to 5 hours. And then you saw I threw them in the washer, dried them, and here's the final product. I kind of messed up here a little bit. It kind of like passed here, and here in the front there's like a little streak, but it kind of blends in, so whatever. I'm gonna try them on to see how they look, and then since I was already doing this, my shirt got messed up, so don't wear black if you're gonna do this. And I did like kind of like a tie-dye to my shirt.
It looks nice. Looks better than what it was.
You think so?
Yeah.
So yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and try this on so you guys can see it.
Looks nice.
Actually not that bad. To be my first time. I got the jeans that I least wear just in case they got messed up, but they came out pretty good.
Well, they got really messed up.
They look bad?
No, they look good, but I mean,
it's supposed to be like that.
Oh, okay.
But it's supposed to be like
okay,
that.
baby, looks good.
I think this definitely works. You just have to be careful. It took a lot of time. It works, but it takes a lot of time, so be patient. Put it in the sun. I think the sun actually worked, and I had to dip it in Clorox like various times. So there you go. The next one we're gonna try out is a lemon. How to take out lemon juice from a lemon without opening it. idea that you could poke a hole here and squeeze it and the juice is gonna come out supposedly. I've never heard of this, but we will find out. So I don't have like a stick kind of like in the video, so I'm just gonna use a knife. Just gonna like poke it here. I guess like that, right?
Yep.
I guess it's just for it to come out. I don't know. So it's a little more open than I thought. What?
It works. What the hell?
What the hell?
That works. That's crazy.
I'm shook.
That's way better. You don't have to get all your hands dirty and shit.
Exactly. What? I am literally shook right now. I didn't think it was gonna work. Oh, I'm ripping it. Oh my god, and it smells so good. I love it. So this definitely works, and it's such a cool idea. I literally had no idea this worked, but I don't think it works with the limes, like the green ones.
We should try it later.
Let me try. How would you?
So yeah, do the same thing.
Let's try it, but I don't think it's gonna work.
Watch out your hand.
Yeah. Let's see. Yeah, it comes out, but this lime is hard. You see, like this one's squishy and this one's hard, but it still comes out. No. Ooh, so this definitely works. I guess you know, in the kitchen people usually like go like this, so the lime gets like soft and all the juice comes out.
Let's get a hammer.
But this is really cool.
It does work. No, drink it.
I'll drink it. I love eating this shit.
You.
So this definitely works. You should definitely try it out, especially if you like cook and you like need lemon juice for whatever reason. This is really good. Definitely works. On to the next one, and we're gonna teach you how to clean brushes with a drill super fast. Okay. Cleaning brushes is like a pain in the butt, so all you need is a drill, some soap, water, and your dirty brushes. So we're gonna go ahead, pour in some. You don't have to use dish soap, but you know, I'm just using this one. So you put it in, the brush is on the drill. I'm so scared.
Watch out. Go. Ooh, it's working.
Yep, the water's turning. Oh my god. This is so cool. Look how dirty the water gets.
Yep.
This definitely works.
So cool.
This is so easy now to clean the brushes. I'm gonna try another brush. Oh my god. This is insane. It works. And then if you want to dry it, just literally put it on the towel and do the same thing. This wasn't part of the hack. I made this up. Actually, Alejandro made it up. Bam! A clean and a dry brush. This is insane. You already know I'm gonna be cleaning all my brushes with a drill. So, life hack number 3 definitely works. The only thing that it wouldn't work is like these big brushes, you know, because it doesn't fit on the drill. But apart from that, you're good, baby girl. We're on to the next one, and this one is so easy, and I hope it works because it sounds kind of interesting. So basically you need a Sprite bottle and some Skittles. It doesn't have to be the sour ones, it could be whichever one you want, but I personally want the sour ones. So we're gonna make like this cool drink with Skittles and Sprite. Skittles. Ooh, it's fizzing. This is so cool. I don't know how much to drop in. I just do a couple more. A shake.
I know what you
And then it pops in your face. No, you give it a shake. Look, the color of the Skittles is like falling in like the water. It's like staying in the water. Okay, so after you give it a shake, you open it up. Be careful, because look at it, it's about to go out.
Yeah, it's gonna go. Oh shit.
Okay, let's open it in the sink. Okay, there we go, there we go, there we go. Okay, now let's try this. Suppose it's gonna be like super good. I've never seen this, so it smells the same. Tastes the same. I think I need to add more. Okay, let's add more. The water's getting like brown. Like if you look at it, it looks disgusting.
Disgusting.
Look at that. It looks like dirty water. But supposedly it's really good. Let's go ahead and try it now. Okay, I got it, I got it. This tastes really good. Wanna try?
Hell no.
It tastes really good. Like really good. I love it. I think the longer you leave the Skittles in there, the more you see, the more it's gonna taste. Because look at that. Oh my god, look at that. I want to eat the Skittles though. So you like drink it and then you have like a little snack at the bottom. So this hack definitely works. You should try it out, and if you do, tag me on your Instagram story so I could repost you. Alright guys, so you guys know the whole whipped coffee super viral on TikTok. Well, now there's this viral new trend of whipped strawberry milk, and when I saw this I was like, girl, sign me up. I am right here. We are definitely gonna do this. So you need milk, heavy whipping cream, strawberry, how do you call this, like powder, ice, and your cup. So basically this is super easy, like the coffee. Four tablespoons of heavy whipping cream. 1, 2, 3, and 4. So I'm gonna give it like a little mix. I'm gonna use another life hack that I saw, where instead of whipping it with a fork or whatever you have, I'm gonna like mix it in the container and it's gonna whip it. So let's go ahead and do that.
2,000 years later.
Okay, I think this is good. Whoa, this is really whipped, like way faster than the coffee. When you're done with your whipped, you're gonna go ahead and let's pour in the ice first. Some ice. Let's do some milk. And then let's get the whipped. Pour it all in.
Looks good.
It looks really good. Why didn't anybody think of this before? Fancy that day, you could go ahead and decorate your cup, kind of like I did. You know, it didn't turn out how I wanted, but you know, it's fine. So I added something to the rim, put some on top. Look how good that looks.
It's really good.
Oh my god, it looks so freaking good. Taste test. Ready? This is really good. Like way better than the coffee.
For real?
This is really good. Freaking 10 out of 10. Honestly. Literally, if you would like milk, I would let you try this.
No.
But it's mine. So that's pretty much it for today's video. Hopefully you guys enjoyed it. Make sure to go ahead and give this video a huge thumbs up. It really supports my channel. Subscribe with your post notifications on, and comment down any other life hack you want me to test out, or you could DM me on Instagram. I always try to respond to you guys. So thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys on my next video. Bye guys.